Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Loquibot step by step. First, navigate to the official Loquibot website and log in using your Twitch account credentials. This initial step securely connects your streaming platform to the bot. Next, you'll be prompted to grant Loquibot the essential permissions it needs to operate within your channel. Finally, once permissions are granted, you will land on the Loquibot dashboard, which is your central hub for all configurations. Now, let's dive into configuring basic commands. From your dashboard, find the Commands section to create custom responses for your viewers. You can also set up timers, which are fantastic for sharing important information or promoting content at regular intervals. Don't forget to explore the moderation tools. These are crucial for maintaining a positive and safe chat environment, helping you manage spam or unwanted messages with ease. Moving on to more advanced customization, Loquibot offers integrations with various other streaming tools, enhancing your overall broadcast experience. Take some time to explore features such as loyalty point systems or engaging minigames, which can significantly boost viewer interaction and retention. You can also personalize the bot's responses using variables, making interactions feel more dynamic and tailored to your community. Finally, it's essential to thoroughly test all the commands and features you've set up directly in your Twitch chat. This ensures everything works as intended before your live stream. If you encounter any issues, the Loquibot documentation is an excellent resource for troubleshooting common problems and finding solutions. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Your feedback helps improve the bot for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.